Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. In the past, I didn't care how people are making money online because I didn't believe in digital innovation. I didn't even realize that if I visit a page on Google, I'm helping someone to make money. That's crazy, but that was the reality. Now that I'm struggling and scared to go to work because of a limited access to transportation vehicles due to this global crisis, I didn't have a choice but to learn how to make money on this digital world. I want to share with you these services you can offer online using your smartphones and build a great business. You can create a gig on Fiverr or any other social media like Facebook, Twitter, and other social media you know someone would see them and buy what you offer. Let's get started. Offer your research skills. I took some screenshots of services like this that are offered on Fiverr. They do web research, email extraction, data collection, copy-paste, and so much more. You only need the internet to do extensive research and find accurate information your client is requesting. You can visit fiverr.com and check them out for your guide. Offer your video editing skills. There are video editing apps you can download on your phone and create stunning videos. I personally edit my videos on my mobile phone because it's easier for me to navigate, though I'm still getting the hang of it. If you like editing videos and you're good at it, offer this kind of service to video creators on YouTube or Facebook. Here are the editing apps I use for my videos. Offer to transcribe audio to text. You can create a subtitle by typing what you hear from an audio or a video, and there are people who are buying this kind of service for video creators to reach a wider audience. Subtitles can be a big help for people who can't watch a video with sound, foreign language speakers, and hard of hearing individuals. YouTube has this feature, but I heard they will take it down in the coming years, so better start now. Offer thumbnail, banner, logo, or art design. There are also mobile apps you can download to create remarkable thumbnails, banners, or logos. Master these apps and offer your service to businesses or video creators. I also use Canva, PixArt, and KineMaster for my thumbnails. Offer to promote social media pages. If you have tons of followers, you can offer to promote social media pages and increase your clients' following. Here are some services like this offered on Fiverr for your guide. Creating a gig or doing a job on smartphone would be quite challenging. However, it's not impossible. You just need to find the perfect gig you can easily make on your smartphone and make the best out of it. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!